The installation on these steps is pretty straightforward. The first thing you want to do is check your instruction sheet and inventory all your parts and make sure they're there. The steps install with 6 brackets, 3 on each side, and the good thing is that they are exactly the same, so there's no worrying about do I have the front, do I have the middle, or do I have the back bracket. It's all the same bracket. Locate the factory step studs on the inner rocker of the truck and be sure to clean those with a wire wheel or tap before you get started. Next, we're going to install the plastic spacers. Do not skip this step. They're an insulator to prevent galvanic corrosion between the factory aluminum body and the steel bracket. Install the bracket over the studs and secure with supplied 8mm washers and lock nuts. Now the good thing is, you only need 1 socket to install this entire step kit. That's a 13mm. Now we're going to install the step in the bracket. Careful to line up the positions of the bracket to the step so you don't slide it back and forth and mar the finish. Finally, we're going to secure the step to the brackets with the supplied 8mm bolt and washer. Be sure to hand thread in each bolt before tightening them down. That way everything lines up properly. Repeat those steps for the passenger side and the installation's complete. Gets 3 on each side. The good thing is, I don't like that the good thing is, all 2 factions. You had your Tiffany fans and your Debbie Gibson fans. And never the tween shall meet.